LinkedIn has been doing a lot of work recently on its approach to creators, so catching up a little bit with some of the other platforms. Now, of course, LinkedIn is a bit different to the other platforms in terms of we are approaching it from a B2B perspective, but that doesn't mean that creative partnerships and influencer marketing doesn't work on LinkedIn. If anything, B2B influencer marketing is it actually growing at a massive rate at the moment, and momentum is gathering for businesses to start to utilize industry experts, credible speakers, maybe kind of journalists or people who really are reputable in their field of work and see if they can work on partnerships alongside these folks. So LinkedIn went to Cannes last week and they revealed a lot to do with their creator marketplace, which is now, and apologies for the low quality photo, this is all we could find, but it is a centralized ecosystem that's built into LinkedIn's campaign manager. So you'd need to have a campaign manager set up for your brand in order to see this. And here, you can find the creator marketplace down the left-hand side. It is currently an invite-only platform and it's only rolled out to users in the US and Canada at the moment, which is why I don't have an amazing screen grab for you guys. But, if the tests go well, as usual, things will hopefully roll out to that wider global market because I can't wait to see this actually. I'm really excited to get stuck into Creator Marketplace. So, what does it offer? So, marketers can search for relevant creators based on their content expertise and topics. You can use tools to assess audience size, demographics, and overall reach. You can also reach out to creators through the Creator Marketplace. So, it provides contact information. You can do this directly within kind of LinkedIn. And also, you can kind of establish those collaboration details within the platform, like fees, payments, etc. Brands can also identify organic or sponsored content within the platform and turn those into thought leader ads directly within the platform as well. So I think that for me is a really exciting element, especially given that thought leader ads work so well at the moment in LinkedIn. Thought leader ads, for those that aren't aware, are when someone individual writes about your brand on LinkedIn and you can then run that as an ad. It will say underneath paid partnership with whatever the brand's called, Avocado Social, for example. But these are thought to have up to 8 times more engagement than ads that are coming from brands because they're interesting, right? They're personal, they're telling stories, they're authentic, they're original. It's not just, a boring old LinkedIn ad. It's actually somebody's hot take on something or somebody is talking about a customer pain point or a story that or something a lesson that they've overcome recently. So I definitely think these creator conversations are going to filter much more into our paid approach on LinkedIn in the next couple of years. What does it mean for creators? So I know there's a couple of creators that normally join our sessions as well. And it essentially means that you can become much more discoverable to leading brands and secure some paid deals as well. It also gives you some, control over who you're collaborating with. You can hand pick your best work to showcase to potential brands. It can be like a really nice place for you to have this portfolio as well. You can also track performance as well. So you'll be able to see whether you've been invited to that creator marketplace. And then within there, there's lots of resources, plus you can track your performance a lot easier. So interesting to see that we've just seen a similar thing from Meta's Edits app, allowing creators to really showcase what kind of success they're seeing and send that directly to brands. So all of the platforms at the moment are really vying for the creators to join them and to use them as a way to start working with brands. And I think that's just because we know wherever the creators go, the audiences follow. So a lot of the social media platforms are very, very focused on their creator partnerships and how they're attracting them at the moment.